Ever wonder how your phone magically knows where you are, even when you're lost in the middle of nowhere? That's GPS, and it's kind of wild. Up in space, there are about 30 satellites just chilling, constantly blasting out signals. Your phone listens to at least 4 of them at once. Each signal says, "Hey, I'm here at this exact time." Your phone measures how long those signals took to reach it. Since signals move at light speed, even being off by a millisecond means miles of error. By comparing the distance from multiple satellites, your phone does math gymnastics called triangulation. Boom, it figures out your location within a few feet. Pretty cool. But wait, what about tunnels, subways, or inside malls? That's when your phone cheats. It uses Wi-Fi, cell towers, even your step count to guess where you are until GPS kicks back in.